was not the color of her hair, not the language that she spoke. Some believe while lying there she finally awoke. But 35's too young to go wherever going takes us. When you see the spirit's gone, you know it's more than dirt that makes us. That what we are and who we are won't always coincide. While what returns into the earth, who goes for a ride? While what returns into the earth, who goes for a ride? He was not the clothes he wore, not the color of his skin, when the mortal sack that held him tore without replaced within. But 56 is young belief, whatever leaving means. Is it what has left, or what is left, or what is in between? That we know what we are and who we are won't always coincide. While what returns into the earth, who goes for a ride? While what returns into the earth, who goes for a ride? We are not the words we say, we're all a sacred mystery. Though the body softly falls away, life is more than history. Whatever age our presence fades, wherever fading flies, our disappearance masquerades as our loved ones cry. Because what we are and who we are no longer coincide. While what returned into the earth, who went for a ride? While what returned into the